my god. Are you kidding me?
Going there, see.
So, I want to go to this one place. It's on Mitchell because I want to pick up.
Yeah, nice stop there, Slick.
Dude, what are you doing from the middle lane?
Only high-profile athlete who uses the sixth space either. So does Tony Gonzalez, the NFL Top 100 Hall of Famer, who credits this meditation in multiple press articles, as does Reggie Jackson of the LA Clippers, as well as his entire family. You can watch.
Activity 25,000 feet deep in the trench. It's an ancient ecosystem untouched by man. When it rains down, make its way to the surface.
Oh, what the hell?
This is a bad idea.
Oh, well.
Just a little bit.
You know, the first one in 2018.
Ah, bonjour, Monsieur Hyde.
Hello, Poirot.
You know my good friend Captain Hastings, no?
Good morning, Captain Hastings.
Hi, sir.
Well, Poirot, you got my message, I see.
I did. What is it that disturbs you, mon ami? Richard ma traverse died.
Oh, damn, they crashed!
Oh, damn, they crashed!
Really? Right here in front.
Oh, what did he crash into?
She just crashed right into that white car.
The master document of all my backup goes in a fire safe as well.
And Scott, this is a great bit of advice following up from that 2FA conversation that we had. But I gotta admit, I use Google Wallet every day and I love it. Like I said, I mentioned I was traveling this month. I was in LA, and every boarding pass I threw in my Google Wallet. It was there, ready to go. Scanned when I got on the plane. Like, it worked really nicely. My loyalty cards, all that sort of stuff. Like I do like what Google Wallet has become. It's just been a.
No need to climb the steps there. People get away. So he sent me with money.
How much? He told me I could name the price. Have you got it with you?
If you have the negative.
Yeah. You see them when I get the money.
How much?
150 grand.
That's what I figured.
Brick house near Seafront Road.
Founders of Instagram, Kevin Systrom and Michael Krieger, who of course, sold Instagram to 2012, but then less in 2018. And RevIt is super interesting. It's basically the idea of applying the success and the strategies of TikTok.
James!
Oh, look at that. Oh, what are the odds? I already see something kind of.
Where? What happened? Oh.
Look at that.
What happened?
That? Oh! Oh, they hit! Oh! I got the plate. Hang on.
Did they hit?
Yeah, they hit. They hit.
And she ran away?
Yeah, he ran away.
Not a smart move there, trucker guy. Dude.
7 days a week or
Oh, shit. Son of a wow.
Oh, watch out.
Oh! What the heck was that for, dude?
That's why I wasn't in the car.
Jesus, yeah, no kidding. Oh, you idiot.